sparkling eyes. When the first time I saw you, you have those wonderful smiles. When the first time that I dated you, I wanted you to be mine. So let's take it slow, showing who I really am. Asking your parents to court you, to love you, and tell them that I'm the better man for you. 'Cause you're my sunshine, my lover, my princess, and the girl of my eternity. My once in a lifetime, my partner, my kisses, and my love for you is endlessly. I wanted you to know you're the woman that I can't resist. And I'm so blessed you came into my life, and I would take good care of you.